Hello everyone, welcome back. So we will be discussing the question number 2 here of this particular set which we have been discussing, car travel routes from CAT 2017 paper. The question says, if all the car follows the police order, and what is a police order? Police order says that each car, right, police order orders each car to take a particular route in such a manner that it is not possible for any car to reduce its travel time by changing the route. Right now we have already seen that if every car is following the police order, then two cars will be using the route of A and B, and the two cars will be using the route of A and B. The basic instruction says that A to B, there are two possible options, whether you can go from A to M and then you can use the route of M to B, and then there's another possible option that you can go from A to N and then you can go from N to B. Now, A to M, the travel time is 6 minutes, right? It's mentioned over here. Every additional car increase the travel time by 3 minutes. Okay. M to B, the time given is 20 minutes, where it is mentioned. You can read it from the instruction part. We have already covered it in the previous session. And every additional car increase the time by 0.9 minutes. A to N, again the time travel is 20 minutes, but every additional car increase the time by 1 minute, right? And N to B, the time travel is 6 minutes. Every car will take 6 minutes to travel, and every additional car will increase the travel time by 3 minutes. And in the previous question we have learned that if every car have to follow the police order in such a way that if that car decided to change its routes, the travel time will not get reduced. In fact, it will get increased, okay, or it will remain same. So to follow that, we have seen that two cars will be traveling from A and B route, and there will be two cars which will be traveling from A and B. Now in this particular question, all we have to answer is, what is the difference in the time taken by the car which is using the route A and B and the car which is using the route A and B? You see that if a car is using A and B, if two cars are following the police order of using the route of A and B, you see that from A to N, the travel time is 20 minutes plus. Because of one additional car, it will get increased by 1, 20 plus 1 plus N to B, travel time is 6, and because of additional car, it will get increased by 3 because two cars are using A and B. So 6 plus additional 3 minutes, the total time will be 30 minutes. So if two cars are using the route of A and B as per the police order, right? How? We have already seen it in the previous question. The time taken will be 30 minutes. And if two cars are moving from A to M and then finally M to B, what is the travel time? Let's see. A to M, travel time is 6 minutes plus additional car will increase the time by 3 minutes. M to B, the travel time is 20 minutes and one additional car. Why one additional? Because two cars are going from A to M to B, right? Additional car will increase the time by 0.9. What is the total time? The total time is 29.9. And what is the difference between these two times? You see that the difference between 30 minutes and 29.9 minutes is of 0.1 minute. So therefore, the answer to the question is option A, that is 0.1 minute. That's the answer to the question. You see this? It's a very simple question of CAT 2017 paper. CAT 2017 is considered to be the difficult paper for LRDA section, right? CAT 2017 considered to have high level of difficulty set from the in LRDA section, but you see that 3 to 4 set were very easy. We have already covered one set of CAT 2017 which was based on the concept of matrix, that was from the morning slot, and this is there's another set of travel route which is again a very simple set, and you can easily solve it if you just interpret the basic information properly. So here is one more question, question number 3, that I want you to try here. Some additional instructions are given, right? There's a bit change in the question. This basic information has been kept same, but this information has been added on. So you guys try this question first, right? Question number 3 is on the screen here. I want all of you to try this question. The solution of the question will be discussed in the next video. So once you try it, right, you get to know the points where you are making the mistake. So while I'll be solving the question, you get to know कि आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हो, कहाँ पे आपका प्रॉब्लम है, राइट, व्हाट आर द वीक एरियाज, रीडिंग में इशू है, या फिर क्वेश्चन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग में इशू है, कंसेप्चुअल एरर है, व्हाट इज दैट एरर. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट यू नीड टू आंसर, राइट. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. LR में जितना आप सिंपल रहोगे, जितना कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे, that would be that will really help you in getting good marks in logical reasoning and DI section. The level of difficulty, you see, if they're coming 8 set, right, it's not possible that all 8 sets are very high level of are on very high level of difficulty. There are some sets which are very easy and direct, and those are the sets that you need to pick and solve in the CAT exam. So see you then in the next video, where I'll be discussing the question number 3 with you. Till then, you can try this question and then you can watch the solution in the next part. Thank you.